Smart quick-fit compact connectors for 7/8-inch corrugated copper tube cables with foam dielectric are made for one-piece assembly, but can also be mounted with the following two-piece procedure. These are the tools to assemble them. The trimming tool for 7/8-inch cables, the 36mm spanner, the torque wrench with 36mm insert, the metal saw, the measure, the knife, the countersink, and the steel brush. The cable is cut off perpendicular to the cable axis. The cable jacket is stripped about 25 millimeters, 1 inch, which exposes 4 corrugations. The trimming tool is then used to cut the cable end properly. The tool guide notch must be positioned in the second corrugation trough from the jacket. The pre-cut cable jacket ring is removed. The outer conductor must be cut off at the crest of a corrugation. It will be exposed about 21 millimeters. The center conductor is substantially chamfered with the countersink. Now the cable end is trimmed using the tool bottom section. It is turned in both directions until the outer conductor is smooth and the foam dielectric is separated from it. The steel brush is used to eliminate any dielectric and metal swarf. The cable entry is unscrewed and pulled off. The cable entry is pulled over the cable while slightly rotating it. The clamping ring is engaged in the first corrugation trough. The connector head is pushed onto the cable entry until there is a clear snap. Then the connector is tightened manually by turning the cable entry. A properly mounted connector will not come off if it's pulled. Finally, the cable entry is tightened, applying a torque of 45 Newton meters or 33 foot-pounds. Care is taken to turn only the cable entry.